Fong, Baby Shark, and the Magic Wand. Baby Shark, family and friends. This is Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, Grandma Shark, Grandpa Shark, and the Magic Wand. Grandma has a magic wand. Poof, she says. My wand can do anything. Grandma Shark sees a baby fish. Boo-hoo, he says. Please find my mommy. Poof, Grandma Shark says. The fish's mommy comes back. Grandma Shark sees a pink fish. I need a house, the pink fish says. Poof, Grandma Shark says the fish gets a new house. Thanks, the baby fish says. You found my mommy. Yay! The pink fish says, I love my house. Grandma Shark is so happy she twirls her wand, but it falls and breaks. Grandma Shark fixes her wand. Then Baby Shark asks, Can you turn my ball into a friend? Grandma Shark says, I hope this works. Poof! Oh no, Grandma Shark says. The broken wand turned Baby Shark into a toy. Grandma Shark has to fix it. The wand sparkles. Pooh, Grandma Shark says. That worked. Baby Shark is back to normal. Then Grandma Shark sees Mommy Shark. Can you make my pencil longer? Mommy asks. Grandma Shark says. I hope this works. Poof! Oh no, Mommy Shark says. I got even shorter. I'll try again, Grandma says. Poof! That worked. Grandma Shark, Baby Shark says. Can you help me build my sandcastle? Grandma Shark does anything for Baby Shark. Of course, she says. Now, Grandma Shark says, let's see if this works. Poof! Oh no, Baby Shark says. My sandcastle is shrinking. It's okay, Grandma Shark says. I'll get it right this time. Grandma Shark casts her spell and the sandcastle grows bigger. It's the biggest sandcastle ever. Even a broken wand can't spoil the fun. Hooray, Baby Shark says. I love my magical grandma. The end. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. And also, don't forget to check out our other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!